Hello everyone, it's another episode of the Miata DIY Guide. Today we're doing a very simple install of the Cobalt front chassis brace, and this is going to be going on a 1993 Miata.
The goal for this installation is to increase chassis stiffness. An additional video we haven't yet posted is we recently installed the competition motor mounts. These are all efforts to stiffen the chassis and give us a little more speed through the corners.
Oh, see? It's too thick.
One last thing to note before you start is the order of which you install the hardware. The washer and lock washer are listed, but the spacer is not. So we were sure to double check the Moss website and followed the photo for the installation. On the Moss Miata website, you get a nice PDF of instructions of how to install this part. They give you a little tip telling you to tape the nut to a wrench and then putting that into the access spot. This method didn't work for us because our wrenches were too thick. So what we did was we let the lock washer rest above the respective hole, and then we used a pair of needle nose vice grips to hold the nut in place while feeding the bolt through it.
I think we have contact.
Yeah.
We have contact! Okay, so stay there because that we need to torque it down. I think.
Yep.
There you go. So with a little maneuvering, so we have these vice grips holding the top nut, and then we just had to feed the lower bolt into it. But keep those there. We'll tighten the side down, then we'll go over and retighten the right side. So now we're just back on the passenger side. We're just gonna tighten up this one. And again, we have the needle nose vice grips inside the hard to reach spot, holding the top nut down. Okay.
If you have any questions about the install or parts in this video, please leave a comment below. And if you need any parts like the ones in this video, head over to mossmiata.com. They have all the parts you might need from the 1990 Miata to the current generation.